Please remain standing for an invocation to be led by Corrections Officer 1, Rusty Casino. Tayo po ay manalangin. Ama naming Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, kami ay lumalapit sa iyo na may taus-pusong pasasalamat at paggalang. Pinupuri ka namin dahil sa iyong walang humpay na paggabay, pag-iingat at pagmamahal sa bawat isa, at sa Klas Desintrados na sa araw na ito ay magtatapos ng kanilang pagsasanay at paghahanda para sa serbisyo sa ilalim ng Bureau of Corrections. Pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lakas at katatagan na iyong ipinagkaloob sa lahat ng panahon ng pagsasanay. Sa mga oras na mahirap, sa mga gawaing nangangailangan ng sakripisyo. Salamat dahil hindi mo sila pinabayaan at naging kasama kanila sa kanilang paglalakbay. Basbasan mo ang aming mga pinuno, tagapayo, tagapagturo, at lahat ng tumulong at sumuporta sa buong panahon ng pagsasanay. Panginoon, itinataas namin sa iyo ang Klas Desintrados. Tulungan mo silang maging handang maglingkod ng tapat at totoo habang sila ay magtatapos ng yugtong ito at haharap sa mas malawak na tungkulin. Hinihiling namin ang iyong karunungan at liwanag. Gawin silang mga lingkod na may dangal at malasakit para sa pagbabago at pagbangon ng mga bilanggo na nasa pangangalaga ng aming ahensya. Bigyan mo sila ng talino upang gumawa ng tamang pasya, lakas upang pumanig sa tama. Gabayan mo sila na maging instrumento ng kapayapaan, pag-asa at pagbabago. Naway lahat ng kanilang natutunan ay magamit nila sa pagtupad ng kanilang tungkulin ng may katapatan at dedikasyon. Ito ang aming panalangin at paghahandog sa pangalan ni Jesus na aming dakilang Diyos at tagapagligtas. Amen.
You may now be seated. At this point, the battalion commander orders the adjutant to account the troops.
After receiving the reports,
The battalion adjutant faces about, salutes and renders to the battalion commander. Sir, the battalion are all present and accounted.
The battalion commanders order the adjutant to publish the orders of the day.
After publishing the orders, the battalion adjutant gives the command. Officer, center, march.
He then proceeds to his position battalion staff as battalion adjutant march forward to receive the instruction from the battalion commander.
Communications, orders, and disseminations must pass through proper channels. This is a practice observed in the uniform profession, which signifies the importance of the chain of command.
Now approaching are the members of the chain of command, the officers of COBRC battalion.
Upon the salute of his officers, the battalion commander acknowledges, gives instructions, and directs them to proceed to their respective posts.
At this juncture, may we request our keynote speaker, Corrections Senior Superintendent Lucio C. Guevara, to proceed at the center front of the stage for the presentation of command and honors.
The audience are requested to stand. May we request Corrections Senior Superintendent Ruben R. Formoso to join the keynote speaker for Trooping the Line.